everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. As the name implies, this is like major things that you need to start out your makeup journey. So these are like makeup essentials for beginners, because I get a lot of questions like, what do I need to start out my makeup journey? What do I need to start out this? I'm going to this makeup school and I don't know what to get, things like that. So I compiled makeup essentials for you guys, like the major key things that you really need, instead of buying a lot of things that you see in this video that you see in other videos. So yeah, let's keep on watching. First thing that you will need is to get something for your brows. Okay, so this is really easy. I'm in Nigeria, so this is like really easy to get. This is the Davis eye pencil in color 3. This is like 100 naira, that cheap. Like this is just 100 naira. I get this from my mom's store because she sells makeup, but like this is just 100 naira, so you can get that. This is really good, and that's what I used on my brows. So most of all these things I use them for this look. So the next thing you need is concealer. I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is, you can get a really good one. I got this for 1,000 naira. Yeah, 1,000 naira. I use the shade Fun. So this is really easy to get, just LA Girl Pro Conceal, and it has different shades, even a very dark shade. So no matter your color, you can get this, and it will have a color that will suit you, a color that will suit your shade. So the next thing you will need is your mascara. I use any mascara. Actually, I got this 400 naira. I use any mascara. I can like use anything, but this is actually a really good mascara. It's the Naked mascara, Naked waterproof mascara. So this is how it looks like. You can get any mascara basically that's actually good for you. Then next thing is lashes. Like you need lashes, at least basic lashes for you. So like I use the Red Cherry for almost all my videos. I use the Red Cherry eyelashes. I get them for like 300 naira. So the lashes are not in this case, but this is how the case looks like, because the lashes are on my eyes, but this is how the case looks like. So you can easily get this anywhere. You can get any brand of lashes, just make sure they're good and affordable. The next thing I'll talk about is your eyeliner. I actually use liquid liner. This is how it looks like. It's liquid liner is actually the best because they're darker than any other liners. They're really black, but like I feel like as a beginner you should go for pen liners like this, because they're really easy to draw, like they're really easy to use to do your liner. Liquid liners, you can easily make mistakes, so I would advise you not to start off with a liquid liner. So go for pen liners like this. Then next, obviously, for you to have your eyelash, you need an eyelash glue. This is the eyelash glue that I use. I got this, I can't remember how much I got this, but I think it was really affordable too. So I use the classic eyeliner, the classic eyelash glue. So this is how it looks like. You can get other good ones. I think Tara has one too. That one is pretty good, but I think it's very expensive, so just stick with classic. I think I got this for 1,000 naira. So the next thing that you will need, this is a very important one, is a foundation. I actually skip between these two. Sometimes I use the Fit Me Maybelline foundation. The shade has cleaned off, but like just get a good shade, get your shade of foundation. Fit Me, I think it has a lot of ranges, so you can pick a foundation shade that is your shade. But I think this is on the pricey side compared to this. This is the Jordana foundation, and it's equally as good as the Fit Me foundation. So I use this. This is more drugstore compared to the Fit Me foundation. This is the Jordana foundation USA. Yeah, the Jordana foundation. So you can get, I am in the shade Nutmeg. You can get your shade, but this is actually really good. I love the way this foundation goes on my face, like it really blends well. So I think that's another key thing to getting your foundation. Make sure your foundation is very blendable, and make sure it's your color so you can easily apply the foundation on and make it look like skin. Then I think the next thing is your brushes. You cannot go anywhere, you cannot start any makeup journey without brushes. This is my brush set. I'll put a picture of my brush set. The set is not here, but I'll put a picture of my brush set, how it looks like. You can get the ones of 32 pieces, you can get the one of 16, the one of 18, but these are the brushes that I use. So yeah, so you need really good brushes, really soft ones that can easily blend your makeup. Okay, so yeah, you can't go anywhere without brushes, so you really need good brushes. Then the next thing I will show you guys is my mini star makeup palette. I brag about this a lot in all my videos. This is a contour palette. It has different shades, so like I use this for different people, and it works really well for me because it has a lot of shades. So yeah, this is the mini star palette. You can get any contour palette, but this is really good. I like the way the powders apply to my skin, and it looks really nice, so you can get this. Then also I think another important key is getting a very good eyeshadow that has different shades. I think this is the only thing that is pricey, a bit pricey in all this, because like it's a lot of shades, okay, but like I feel you should get this as a beginner because it has different shades that you can play with, different shades, different shimmer. This is a shimmer, this is shimmer mixed together, like two shimmers in one. This is the matte, and these are glosses. So I feel like you should get this because it's really helpful in your makeup journey, because you get a lot of shades used for a lot of different people. But if you feel like that's too pricey, you can use the Morphe. I think I got this for, I don't know, I can't remember, I think 4,000. But this is quite good too. You can get the Morphe palette. It has a lot of different shades that you can play with. You can use for different colors of people, different people. You can play with the shades. So yeah, you can get the Morphe palette too. And last but not the least, you need a lip gloss. Oh yeah, I forgot the beauty blender. You need a beauty blender to blend your makeup. So I use this for my concealers most especially. I always use beauty blenders for my concealers. Like it makes the concealer blend so well, like so well. So make sure you get a beauty blender, like you will need that. And last but not the least, you need a lipstick. I mostly use nudes, so I've been trying to shift from nudes to more bold lips, but I'm still a nude girl, so I use nudes. This is what is this? Beyonce Secrets Makeup USA. So I go for nude lipsticks. I think I got this for 500 or 300, so it's not pricey at all. Just get good lipsticks, and that's all. That's all of it. Like that's basically all of it. Yeah, am I forgetting anything? I'm not forgetting anything. That's it. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I showed you an insight on what to get to start your makeup journey. Comment down below how your makeup journey is going for you. Comment down below what you want me to do, the videos you want to see from me. So yeah, that's it. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. Everything will be linked here. Like I'll show you the picture after this video. So yeah, bye.